Hi everyone, myself Gopalakrishna, Assistant Professor in Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, working in KG Reddy College of Engineering and Technology. Okay, right. See, today we will be discussing about potentiometer, right? Potentiometer. First of all, what do you mean by potentiometer? Right? Potentiometer is nothing but it is a direct measuring instrument which is used for measuring the unknown values of EMFs. It is the unknown EMFs is being measured by means of this potentiometer. Okay, unknown EMF is measured by means of potentiometer, right? Okay, here the unknown EMF is measured and is measured over here, right? See. Okay. Next, we will be seeing, right, the unknown EMFs, nothing but also by means of potentiometers we can measure the values of currents. How we will be measuring the values of currents means, that is we are having basic equation, that is V is equal to IR. By means of this IR, nothing but by means of this drop we can measure the value of current, right. Again I will be repeating the definition. Potentiometer is used for measuring the unknown values of EMFs and compared with the standardized values. Okay. By comparing with the standardized values, these values are being measured, right. Here the unknown EMFs are being measured and the currents also can be measured. Okay. Next, we will be seeing about basic potentiometer. Behind that we will be seeing the classification, right. Here potentiometers are classified based upon the voltage, nothing but that is based on AC and based on currents, nothing but direct current and AC. Nothing but we will be having AC potentiometers, will be having AC potentiometers and we are having DC potentiometers. AC and DC potentiometers will have. Okay, right. While going to AC and DC potentiometers, we will be discussing about what do you mean by a basic potentiometer. We will be seeing about basic potentiometer. We will be seeing about basic potentiometer, right. Here what we have discussed, we are saying that we can measure the value of unknown EMFs, unknown currents. By means of drops we will be measuring the voltage, and by means of drops we will be measuring the value of current we have been discussing, right. Here what is the basic principle behind the potentiometer means, see, we will be seeing one circuit. See, here this is the one unknown, this is one battery, again here we are connecting one more battery, and here we are placing a galvanometer. Here we are placing galvanometer. Here see, I am indicating with some E1 and E2, right. Those batteries I am indicating by E1 and E2. See, whenever the value of E1 is not equal, nothing but here first of all we will be seeing about the circuit. See, this is one battery and this is one battery. Okay, this is galvanometer, right. This is galvanometer. Okay, see, here whenever the value of E1, nothing but the value of battery 1 is equal to E2, here the galvanometer will be showing the null deflection, nothing but here in basic potentiometer how we will be measuring the values of means by seeing the null deflections. By means that is whenever there is null deflections, this battery EMF is equal to this battery, then it is okay. Whereas in case of if there is some any deflection in the galvanometer, means the values are not matching, nothing but that E1 is not equal to E1, nothing but here E1, whenever E1 is equal to E2, this galvanometer will be showing the null deflection, that right, null deflection. Whenever E1 is not equal to E2, here the galvanometer will not be showing the null deflection, it will be showing some error value, error like indication, right. In this way that will be showing whenever this is equal to this, here one deflection, here whenever it is not equal to, means that will be showing the another deflection, right. See, here now we will be seeing about, right, about DC potentiometers we will be seeing now, right. This is one classification and this is one, right. About a DC potentiometer, right. In DC potentiometer we will be having first one, that is slide wire potentiometer we will be having, that is slide wire potentiometer. Okay, right. We will be seeing about this one, right, clear. Here we will be having a slide wire, right. Next we will be having a battery with some resistance, right. This is sliding contact, right. Next we will be having a galvanometer, right. Here we will be placing one switch. Next this is being connected in this manner. See, this is a basic circuit of slide wire potentiometer, right. This is one sliding contact, we will be saying this as sliding contact, right. Okay. See, again here one battery is placed, one more battery will place over here. This one is battery 1 and this is one battery 2. This is sliding contact. This is sliding contact. Slide wire, that is. Okay, here see what is the need of, this is the resistance, this is one resistance placed over there. See here what is the need of resistance placing over here means, whenever the value of battery 1 is, whenever we need to change the value of battery 1, at that condition we will be varying this resistance, this variable resistance. Right. See, first of all we will be seeing the construction details of that basic slide wire potentiometer circuit, right. See, this is battery 1, battery 2, sliding contact, right. Okay, that is resistance, and this is one switch and this is one galvanometer, right. It is okay, right. Okay, the material used for this slide wire, nothing but we are indicating with the A to B, nothing but the slide wire, nothing but the material used for the slide wire is, that is platinum, silver platinum alloy. The material used is silver platinum, that is one kind of alloy is used over there, that is silver platinum, right. Okay, these are the batteries by our general basic knowledge we can assess that one, right. That is battery 1 and battery 2 we can assess, right. Okay, the main here is, that is slide wire, that is been from one end to other end is being connected over there. Okay, see here again, here we are using resistance for varying, for changing the value of EMFs across battery 1, nothing but in battery 1, that is used over there. See, first of all, the basic principle behind any type of potentiometer is, anywhere total in entire potentiometers, the every potentiometer will be measured by nothing but by means of deflection only it will be done, right. That is by means of galvanometer only the potentiometer shows the deflection, whether the values are matching or not, those all can be achieved by means of using the galvanometer, nothing but here, that is here the deflection will be giving, either whenever it is giving a null deflection, then it is okay, the batteries EMFs are equal, then we can move, right. In that same way also here, which we have seen earlier in basic potentiometer, that will be carried over there. See here in this also slide wire, see the basic difference between that basic potentiometer and slide wire potentiometer is, here we will be using a sliding contact, that is known as, here we are placing that sliding contact. See, what is the use of slide wire placing over here means, nothing but here, see the slide wire, nothing but the use of slide wire is, here for different range of voltage or currents, nothing but voltage current mean here, that is measured by means of drop we have considered, that is for different range of applications, different range of voltages, we can achieve those all applications by means of using the slide wire, we will be discussing now, right. Okay, see one more thing, this is a switch, nothing but whenever connecting this is being connected, right. Again, see we will be having two conditions here for based on the working of slide wire. Okay, on slide wire potentiometer will be having two principles, we will be discussing those two principles now. Okay, right. See here, this positive terminal is being connected, this positive, nothing but these two terminals are being connected over to each other, and this is connected by means of resistance, and this brought over there. See, we are saying that two principles over there, about those two principles we will be discussing now. See, here we are saying, what we are saying, that is a variable resistance is placed over there, we are saying, right. See here the main intention is what, to balance this equation, nothing but to balance the battery 1 and battery 2 voltages, nothing but here we need to get 0, right. That is, one is 0 deflection second one is it is to be 0 or null here to show some deflection. Right, these in any galvanometer we need to have two, nothing but that one is null deflection we need to obtain, and second one is to show any deflection, these are to be obtained. Okay, see here basic, nothing but at initial condition, okay, the voltage across we will be seeing, nothing but we will be seeing, that is at 0, nothing but at value of 0, nothing but at battery 1 the voltage over there is 0, nothing but we are not connecting the circuit, nothing but this switch SC is open, nothing but it is not connected over there. At that condition the battery need to show the 0 deflection, at another condition that is need to be show the null deflection, another deflection. Okay, how we will be showing means, see this is a slide wire, here will be in this way it will be placed. See, okay, see here I will be explaining, right. See, whenever we need to show any deflection means, here see null deflection means we will be seeing over there, right, 0. Okay, so here we need to obtain, see whenever a circuit is running, two batteries are connected, that is okay, right. Here the at initial condition 0 means it should need to be show 0, right. Whenever it is not showing 0 means at that condition, to bring the condition into balanced way, here this variable resistance is operated. By means of operating this variable resistance, the total slide potentiometer is being balanced, and it is we need to obtain the 0 condition. Okay, see here we will be maintaining a contact over here, right. This is one circuit. See, this is a slide wire over here, that is which is placed over, that is been obtained here. Whenever there is some another, nothing but 0 deflection is not there, means any some value, nothing but some, let us think some 1 volt of value is been showing, nothing but in the two batteries there is some deflection, right. At that particular case we will be having this scale, nothing but a calibrated scale we will be having. At that condition this here, from here we will be connecting over there, right. It is will be indicated over here, this is 5, nothing but 0.5 1 volt, in this way that will be having, at that way that will be showing, right. This is a working principle, nothing but this is a main principle about the slide wire potentiometer. We will be briefing, I will be briefing you later clearly, right. This is for today's session, right. Okay, this will having big another circuit I will be showing, right. Thank you, right.